virtual K-pop artists. I don't know, I actually don't know how I feel about virtual K-pop artists. I mean, with AI in general, are they gonna take over? I don't know, I never reacted to any of like virtual K-pop artists. I know it's a thing now, like I mean not just a thing, it's just been happening. Of course, we got aespa's virtual K-pop artists. They're kind of like AIs, kind of like represent them. It's like an avatar. Of course, KDA comes to mind. We got Mave. Now we have Plave. We got Superkind. I don't know. Is this basically the future of K-pop, which is like virtual K-pop artists? So there's not like no longer an actual human. It's actual just technology. I'm not sure how I feel about that. But at the same time, I'm interested. And then I was shown Apoki. Definitely different from the rest. She did a collab with E40, which caught me off guard. And I thought to myself, why not? Let's dive in. So I've heard a little bit here and there off stream or off camera about Apoki, but this is my first time actually doing a reaction to it. In the comments down below what you guys think about virtual K-pop artists. I actually really wanted to hear your opinions down in the description down below, and all the other ones that I've named. But right now we're gonna be checking out Apoki Mood V5. Well, without further ado, play my intro. Let's check this out. I don't know. Her design, Apoki, from what I've seen from her design is a lot different. It's a lot more animated. Almost feels like a Pixar movie or some DreamWorks-ish. So seems like the production's high. It doesn't look like human, like you know when something looks like they're trying to copy humans. That kind of freaks me out. So this one is like I could differentiate a bit, and that's why I feel a lot more comfortable reacting to this. But let's check out Apoki Mood V5 official MV. Let's get it. Let's go. Is captions on? Oh, they got English. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's begin.
I think I need you here to get me going with it. Yeah. And once I'm there ain't no going home for me.
Okay, we got a nice little scenic view. Oh, looks like it's made animation-wise. Okay, there we have Apoki. Oh, what kind of car you got? So obviously, I never seen Apoki's actual singer, like the one that actually voices Apoki. Car commercial for Tesla? What is this? What kind of car is this? And where are they at? That's fire. What? A fila? Oh, it's on English, yeah. Oh, okay, choreo. Yeah.
I just go to that place where I cannot be chased. I get up.
Hope you don't fall too far. It's like an ease type of listen, and then when it gets to the freaking chorus, like here, yeah. Ooh. Okay, Apoki. Look at all the damn. The whole design is kind of crazy. She do got big eyes though. Kind of reminds me of that one movie. I forgot. It'll come to me sometime. This looks like a car commercial, but I don't even know what kind of car this is. Ooh. I like how they made the environment around her. Her as a creation is so fire already. Ooh, okay, fashion. Okay. Oh, is she a bunny? Does she have bunny ears? Interesting. Mood V5 version 5, I'm guessing. VV Entertainment itself is just actually immaculate. It was well designed. The production, let's go. Even the song production, like the actual song is like pretty fire. It's not what I expected. I thought it was like, I was expecting like K-pop, you know, like mishmash of genres, but it just kept it simple, very an easy listen to burn, if that makes sense. Is VV Entertainment. I'm very curious to check out her other stuff. Like, especially West Swing with E40. Really? Put it in the comments down below what you guys think about Apoki's Mood version 5 and just Apoki and just like virtual K-pop artists in general. What is your take on that? It might take some time for me to get used to, but this was fire. Actually, the song itself, I could actually listen to this on my playlist. More interested in the environment that they're putting Apoki in. Like Apoki, the design is fire, but like the environment around her is gonna be like dope, I feel, because you're not just making a character, you're making a whole lore and story around this virtual artist. Alright, y'all, put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Leave some recommendations for me to check out if you can. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.